Hey, how's it going everyone? So this is going to be our third video of this bash scripting course. So last time we discussed how to create a bash script, how do you execute it with the Notepad++. In this video, we will discuss how to assign variables like any other programming language. So let's get started. Alright, so this is our bash script from the last time. It just has nothing there, just echo off and the pause because we need both of them, right? So how do you assign a variable and how to call that variable? So this is how you do it. First, you need a set command, set, and then variable name. But first, before that, why do you need variable? So let's say, for instance, that you want to use this line. Okay, I have a line here called hello. This is gonna be a string, like a string. Hello world, how you doing? Oh, so it could be longer than this, right? So if you have something like really long, or a long command or a long string that you need to use a lot, like maybe you want to use it like 20 times in your script, do you have to write all of it every time? No. That's why we assign it to a variable. A variable is just a name that you have to choose. That name will go to it will be saved inside your memory, and then you can call it anytime you want. So how do you create variable? We do set and then the name of your variable. You can choose any name you want. So let's say test var test, and then equal sign, and then anything you want here, your string basically. So let's say hello all, how is it going everyone? Okay, now we want to display on the screen this sentence, right? So this sentence now is saved in variable called var test, or you can call it anything you want, just var test, whatever is convenient to you. So how do you call it? We do the echo like the last time, right? But now if you want to call a variable, you need to put a percent and then the name of your variable var test and then another percent sign like this. You see that the color is changed, right? So now if we save it and we go to our script here, double click, hello all, how's it going everyone? So this is how you assign variable and you call it. So another thing that we will be discussing in this video is how to have like how do you do input, like you ask the user to do the input. Now we are actually saving something to a variable, but we want to make it more flexible, like we want to ask the user to write something on the screen. So we are actually taking input from the user, not from you, okay? So to make it more flexible, how do you do that? It's very simple, same thing as set, but we do /p. That's it, right? And then you do the rest. So the name of the variable will be like maybe choice, anything, any name you want, and then equal, and then you type whatever you'll be typing after the equal sign will be displaying on the screen for the user. So okay, so this is, you're telling the user please type your name or something like that. Like you need indication that you're, so the user can understand what's going on here. So let's say for instance I want to ask the user for his name. So what's your name, right? And then question mark. Doesn't matter, you can just do like this or question mark. So, and now we want to echo this variable. So again, percent choice percent. Now we will execute it. See, what's your name? And it's waiting me to type something. It's waiting my input. So I do like Nix, for instance. It just takes the Nix, put it inside the variable called choice, and then we do the echo choice to display that, that variable, right? Very simple. So here you can add something before the variable. Like, it doesn't make sense. You can just say hello and then space and then the variable that has the name stored inside it, right? Choice. Save it, execute it again. Now it says hello Nix. Makes a little bit of sense, right? Okay, then this is how you assign variable and this is how you call it. Next video we will be discussing, I believe, if statement. All right, see you next one.